Okay, this is Steve Miller. I'm sitting here outside a courtroom in Broward County, Florida. We just had a hearing, a final hearing in a divorce case. I'm with my client here. His name is David. David, you say hello.
Hey, what's going on, guys?
You tried to do this on your own, this divorce, right?
Yes.
And you've been married since 2013. You have a couple of children, right?
Yes.
And you tried to do this pro se, meaning on your own. How did it work out for you trying to do it on your own?
No, not too well.
Why not?
Run
Run around.
Yeah.
Run around by the judge.
Yeah. Thank you, man. Run around by the judge.
Yeah, when you try to do it on your own, you get assigned to the general magistrate, right?
Yeah, it was fun. Not really.
Not really, though, right?
No,
So you called me up to try and clean this case up for you. When did you call me?
About 2 weeks ago.
And what did we do for you?
Clean it up and we're done.
And when we cleaned it up, we did amended marital settlement agreement, child support, parenting plan, everything.
A to Z.
Got you in court about 2 weeks later.
2 weeks later, and finally done for a year of runaround.
How'd you find us anyway? How'd you find us?
Google.
There you go. You happy?
Online. Yeah, man.
Beautiful. Hey, thanks very much. Good luck. Tell all your friends. FloridaDivorceMe.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.